Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to download Chase Bank application on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Play Store for your Android or your App Store for your iOS device. Once you do that, go to the address bar at the top and type in Chase Bank and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Simply tap on the install button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. The downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application on your mobile device. Once the download is completed, wait for it to install on your device. Soon after it finishes with the installation, tap it open by tapping on the open button. That is how you'll be able to download Chase Bank application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.